Hello kids, welcome to Kidsybitsy by Jitashi. Today I am doing some experiment, some science-based experiment. So for which I will require paper, sellotape, vinegar, baking soda, some food color. I'm using green food color, water, one mixing bowl, one tablespoon, and one tray. So let's start with the process. First of all, we will make a cone of this paper. We will make cone like this, a small cone. We have to make a small cone, not very big, so I'll cut it off. Secure this cone with sellotape. Like this. Secure it completely. It should not be open from bottom. It should be closed properly. So secure it with the sellotape, and if you want to secure it properly, then you can use the Fevicol over here. So I'll keep it aside. So let's make mixture for our activity. For that, I am taking three tablespoons of baking soda. Ensure that you take soda only, don't take baking powder. Put 3-4 drops of food color. I have taken green color because we are making fuzzy tree, and since it is Christmas, mix it properly. Mix it properly. There shouldn't be any lumps in this, so keep mixing till it become evenly colored. So it will be like this, slightly. So it's not very dark green, it will be like this, light green only. Now we will add water to it. Ensure you add water with the spoon. Don't put too much of water because we do not want it to be running. It should be thick enough to make a paste. Mix it properly. If you feel like adding some more, then add. I think I want some more green color. I'm putting one more drop of green color into it. If you do not have food color, you can use watercolor, but put it with the dropper. Once it is mixed properly, we will fill this dough in our cone like this. Press it hard and fill it nicely. My cone is this filled. So the excess of paper I can cut it off, or else I'll leave it as it is. Now we will keep it in deep freezer so that it will set, and then I will tell you the further process. So keep it in the deep freezer. It's after 1 hour. This is completely set. Now I'll begin with the experiment. Oops. No worries, we'll keep it like this. So while removing it from the cone, be careful. Now I'll put vinegar on it. We will put vinegar drop by drop. If you have dropper, then you can use dropper. Look at this. Look at this. Look at those frizzes. This is our fizzy tree. So there is science behind it. So what happened? Our vinegar and the soda, these are two opposite products. When we mix them together, they cancel each other, and that creates fizz. That fizz is a gas. That fizz is carbon dioxide gas. So look at this. This is freezing. Can you hear the sound? The fizz sound it's making. Hope you like this experiment. Hope you like this science-based experiment. We will continue with more science-based experiment in the coming future, in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section if you like this activity.